we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on money down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on notification settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to get notified when number you search it has on your check. So just click in this sign. Like you see this color here show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.